Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, in today's video I will show you how you can remove the ink stain from your denim jeans. See, you can see here there is ink stain that has been spread all over into my jeans. Now I need to remove it with the help of a very simple and easy trick. For this you need some ingredients such as, here I have taken sanitizer. You need to take any kind of hand sanitizer that is available at your home. Just take that one. And some detergent powder is required here, and some water, cold water. So what I have done is I have added the detergent powder in a water and the mixture is ready here. So first of all, what you are required to do is just take the part where there are ink stains and spread some sanitizer all over to the stain like this, and let it sit for at least 1 minute so that the hand sanitizer will absorb the stain very properly. Now I have applied the hand sanitizer over my jeans, especially over the ink stain. Now what you need to do is you need to take the detergent mixture and just dip the part into the mixture and let it be sit like for 1 minute, and after this you need to wait for at least 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes your stains will get removed very easily. Just rub this like with your hands. You can also use any brush if you want, or you can use. So now we are rubbing it like this. Now again dip this into the bowl of mixture and just rub your jeans. As you can see, the black ink is getting disappeared in just one use only. You need to wait at least for 10 minutes to see that your ink stain will get absolutely removed. Now, after dipping it, just rub it for at least 1 to 2 minutes for 2 to 3 times so that the hard stains of ink get easily removed from the denim jeans. So now what you need to do is just dip your jeans wherever there are stains in the cold water for at least 10 minutes, or you can wash it also. Just dip the part only into the water. So let it dip for at least 10 minutes. So friends, this is a very effective trick to use. You need to wait for at least 10 minutes, and I am pretty sure that after 10 minutes you will get very amazing results. So here you can see the stains have been removed from our jeans completely. You need to dip it in the water for at least 10 minutes to see the amazing results. So I hope you will like this remedy. Just use this trick. Just use the hand sanitizer and the combination of detergent to remove the ink from your denim jeans very quickly and easily, and just keep this at least for 10 minutes in the cold water to get easily remove the ink from the jeans. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment.